Si el ritmo te lleva a mover la cabeza, ya empezamos como es.
Hey guys, so welcome to another episode of How to Smell Good All Day in the Summer. So in today's video, as you can see, we have a lot of layering combinations to get through. So if you're interested in knowing what combinations I've drummed up today, then just continue to watch. Guys, before we get started with the video, please make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Make sure your notification bell is on because girl, the algorithm is trying to play with me. Make sure you thumbs up this video so I know you like my content. Leave me a comment below with your questions, comments, and concerns, and we can get it popping. So now let's get started with the video. Okay guys, so first up on the list we have Byredo Sundazed layered with Jo Malone's Orange Blossom. Now guys, just so you know, if you can find the body cream to Byredo Sundazed, they do have a body cream available, or they did have a body cream available. I've heard that it was limited edition and I can't get my hands on it. I checked online, I checked in stores, it's never there. So I just layer with my Jo Malone Orange Blossom body cream. Although this fragrance doesn't feature a note of orange blossom, it does have oranges in the opening, and there's also neroli. So, you know, neroli and orange blossom are from the same tree, so they do share some of the same scent profiles, other than the fact that neroli is a little bit more green than orange blossom. But this layers perfectly together, guys. A lot of your summer and spring fragrances, and even some fall winter fragrances, feature the note of orange blossom, so you will be able to layer the orange blossom cream with many other fragrances, as opposed to getting the Sundazed cream that maybe you can only layer with the Byredo Sundazed whenever you wear it. If it's your signature scent, then by all means, if you can get your hands on it, get your hands on it so you can layer them together. But if not, and you have a variety of fragrances, then I suggest getting the orange blossom and layering it with the Sundazed, because you'll be able to use the orange blossom for other creams. And this fragrance right here, guys, it dries down to a beautiful cotton candy scent. Cotton candy scent isn't that prominent on my skin, but you definitely get a sweetness in the dry down, like a sweet muskiness in the dry down, but definitely an orange citrus opening. And this combination right here is so amazing. Okay guys, if you watch my vlogs, and you would have seen me pair Sunwash Citrus with Clive Christian's 1872. This is a beautiful, fresh combination, guys. Clive Christian 1872 opens up very citrusy. It's a very fresh scent. It smells so good. It smells clean, but clean and musky and woody. It's a very long-lasting, fresh scent. And layered with Sunwash Citrus, guys, I already told you, it's a problem. It's so good together, guys. First of all, this Sunwash Citrus is so sweet. There's sugared lemons, mandarin orange, and agave nectar. Guys, this body cream is so fire. If you didn't want to wear fragrance, you can wear this body cream right here and just be good to go. But I mean, we're all fragrance junkies here, right? So we love our fragrances and we love them to last long, and we want to layer them. So this combination right here, guys, like I told you in the vlog, if you haven't seen it, I'm gonna link it down below. You should check it out. This combination right here is so good, guys. Next combination, I mean, this is a no-brainer. And I'm so mad that I just thought about this just the other day. I've had this fragrance for, how long have I had this fragrance? Going on a year now, I've had Spirito Fiorentino. And I've always had my Baccarat Rouge by 40 lotion. Now, if you know anything about Spirito Fiorentino, you know that it puts you in the mind of Baccarat Rouge by 40. It's very similar, except it's more smoky and it's more leathery. It's a deeper, darker, grittier fragrance than Baccarat Rouge. But layered with the lotion, I mean, guys, it is so good. And the other day, so let me tell you what I did. I layered it with Baccarat Rouge by 40 body cream, and then I used my extrait of Baccarat Rouge by 40, and I layered that on top of my Spirito Fiorentino. Guys, this was like a week ago, and I kid you not, I still smell it. Yeah, this combination right here, I did not try to put it on my clothes, but on my skin, guys, it was projecting like none other. I did spray the extrait on my clothes because that's fine, but guys, let me tell you, all three of them layered together, listen, scent trail for days, projection for days, beast mode on another level. It's so good, guys. So if you, I'm not telling you to go out and buy the extrait or Baccarat Rouge by 40 if you don't have it, or vice versa. I'm not telling you to buy any of these. If you happen to have them in your collection already, then try them and report back to me, girl, and let me know what's up, because This combination right here is wicked. Okay, guys, so I mean, this has to be a no-brainer. Coconut and pineapple from Bath and Body Works, layered with Mugler's Iced Star, well, Angel's Iced Star. Guys, when I say no-brainer, I mean, this is like a serious no-brainer. I don't even want to spend a lot of time on this. Just know that if you can get your hands on that coconut and pineapple layered with the Ice Star, I mean, listen, pina colada all day, every day. If you love pina colada, this is your combination right here. If you don't have this, stop the video and get it. If you have the coconut pineapple body lotion, you need to get the Angel Ice Star fragrance. If you have Angel Ice Star fragrance, you need to get the coconut and pineapple body cream. I mean, it is what it is. It just goes together. It's peanut butter and jelly. It's spaghetti and meatballs, Laverne and Shirley. Like, it just goes together like perfectly, guys. So long lasting, so beast mode, so many compliments. This is gonna have to be my scent of the day because this is a problem. I love smelling like a pina colada, and if you do too, leave me one of those pina colada drinks with a hashtag pina colada, because guys, the pina colada is the move. If you didn't know, you gotta ask somebody. The pina colada scent is definitely the move for 2021. All of these fragrances that I have with pineapples and coconuts, it's just giving all type of island tropical vibes. So this combination right here, guys, I mean, no brainer. So shout out to my subscriber that told me that I needed to get Grapefruit Frozen. Girl, I hope you're watching. Thank you. Guys, let's talk about these notes right here real quick. So in Grapefruit Frozen, we have sparkling grapefruit, frozen rose, and sun splashed sugar. Guys, let me tell you something. This body cream smells so good, and layered with Haute Bijou by the House of Sillage. I mean, it doesn't get any better. Guys, it does not get any better than this. It's so sweet. It's so fruity. It's so good. Guys, you need this. You just need this. Like, this is definitely a man getter. This is a compliment getter. Men love this. I wore this and Bae could not get his hands off of me. Like, seriously, this combination right here is wicked. Guys, I'm telling you, it smells so good. The grapefruit and the mango, it just layers so well with this Grapefruit Frozen. And girl, I can't thank you enough, because I have a backup bottle of this Grapefruit Frozen, and I also went and got the shower gel. And the crazy thing is, I used to layer House of Sillage Haute Bijou with Nectarine Blossom and Honey, the body cream from Jo Malone. I've since stopped since I got the Grapefruit Frozen. Because I told you before in one of my videos that the Nectarine Blossom and Honey body cream, it's a little bit green, but I do like that little bit of greenness sometimes because it adds a little bit more freshness, because the Haute Bijou is so super sweet. But if you ever want to feel just super sweet and fruity and tropical, but still elevated and not juvenile smelling like a tropical grown sexy woman, guys, this is the combination for you right here. It's so amazing. It's so good. So Haute Bijou layered with Grapefruit Frozen from Bath and Body Works. Okay guys, so this is another combination that I recently spoke about in my vlog, and that's Pretty as a Peach by Bath and Body Works with Forbidden Games by Kilian. Guys, Forbidden Games has apple, there's peaches, there's jasmine, there's honey, and the notes in this body cream right here, we have peach, jasmine, white nectar, apple blossom, and freesia. Guys, this combination, it's like it was made for each other. Like, seriously, it was made for each other because they share the exact same notes, except there's no freesia in Forbidden Games, or there's no freesia listed, but the apple, the jasmine, the peach, there's also honey in Forbidden Games. So it just, guys, let me tell you something, it layers so beautifully with this body cream. Super long lasting. I have no performance issues. When I first got this fragrance, I was like, oh my goodness, it smells so good, but it doesn't last long. Pretty as a Peach came in, she understood the assignment, and honey, she did that job. She slays with Forbidden Games, guys. So if you have Forbidden Games, please make sure to try to get Pretty as a Peach at Bath and Body Works, guys. You will not regret it. Trust me. These two layered together are fire. Okay guys, so now we have one of my most sexy, intoxicating, sultry vanilla fragrances, Spiritu's Double Veneer by Guerlain. Guys, this is a date night, sexy, leave a lasting impression. This fragrance is everything. If you want to know about this fragrance, check out one of my videos. I'll actually link it. I'll link it below this video. But now, when I first got this fragrance, I was so disappointed because it never lasted that long on my skin until this sexy, warm vanilla sugar came into my life. Guys, oh my goodness. Okay, you're gonna understand. Let me let you understand right now. So look at these notes. Can you see this? Make sure you can see. Okay, so the notes in here are intoxicating vanilla, white orchid, sparkling sugar, fresh jasmine, and a creamy sandalwood. Guys, and then look at this right here. Cozy, enveloping, and irresistible. Just like Spiritu's Double Veneer. And right here, it says made with vanilla extract. This fragrance right here, I told you guys it smells like vanilla extract. Guys, listen. Get this right now, okay? It is, I'm not asking you, I'm telling you. You need to get this. First of all, even if you don't have Spiritu's Double Veneer, which if you don't, what are you doing with your life? Because you need it, girl. You need it. But the warm vanilla sugar is just a beautiful vanilla, sweet vanilla fragrance from Bath & Body Works. I have vanilla body creams. I have a vanilla body cream from The Body Shop, and I have a vanilla body cream from Josie Marin, and I love them. They're beautiful. But it's just something about this warm vanilla sugar that layered with this fragrance right here, it's just a match made in sexy vanilla fragrance heaven. I mean, if you have any vanilla fragrance, you need this warm vanilla sugar body cream. I've showed it on my channel before, but I've never really spoken about it. So this is the first time I'm actually featuring it in a video. But guys, these two together, I mean, guys, it's so sexy. It makes the fragrance last at least 4 more hours on my skin. Is it projecting super loud? It's still not really that loud, but it's loud. It's loud enough. Guys, this is a date night fragrance. This is a sexy put it on fragrance. You know what I mean? So you're gonna have skin showing anyway, or you're gonna be with somebody who you're gonna be in close encounters with. Now, it's not a skin scent. By no means, it's not a skin scent. But this is one, I wish this was a roaring beast. That's how good it smells, guys. It smells so good. Okay? So listen, I'm standing by this 100%, 1000%. What am I talking about? This combination right here is so amazing. You need this. Okay guys, so our final combination is featuring the Strawberry Body Yogurt by The Body Shop, Bouquet de Hongrie by BDK, and Rouge Trafalgar by Dior. Guys, this is a beautiful layering combination. Now this is separate. I've actually spoken about Rouge Trafalgar and the strawberry before. I just had it out here because just in case if you guys missed that video, I just wanted you guys to know that it can layer with the strawberry or it can layer with the raspberry cream. And there's a beautiful tart raspberry whipped body cream that's at The Body Shop that layers beautifully with Rouge Trafalgar. If you want it to be a little bit more fresh, green, and tart, then that's a great combination. But if you like a bit more sweetness, then the strawberry and Rouge Trafalgar is amazing. So now let's focus on this right here, BDK's Bouquet de Hongrie. So this is a fruity rose fragrance that dries down musky. It has pear and strawberry in the opening, and it's just a burst of sweet, juicy goodness. Guys, this is a beautiful fragrance. And then it has that watery rose. Bouquet de Hongrie, to me, guys, it gives me everything that I need. It gives me that fruity opening. It has rose. It dries down musky. It's beautiful. And layered with this strawberry body yogurt, listen, it keeps the strawberry and that sweetness there. But guys, listen to me. When I say strawberry and fruity and sweetness, because I know a lot of people don't like fruity fragrances, it's a grown-up fruity. Please don't think like Victoria's Secret Bath Splash from like Walgreens or CVS, those playful, you know, teeny bopper type of sprays. It's not like that. It's strawberry and fruity, but on a grown and sexy level. You know what I mean? And on a super hot summer day when you want to smell feminine and beautiful, this combination, guys, it will last forever. This is moisturizing. I'll show you guys because someone asked me before. Now, this claims to have 48 hours of, actually, is it on the bottle? No, it's not on the bottle. But it does claim to have 48 hours of moisture. Now, I can't speak to that because I shower within 24 hours. I'm not testing it out for 48 hours on my skin. However, I know it lasts all day on my skin. If I'm out 10 hours or 12 hours, it lasts all day on my skin and the scent is there. The scent is there 100%. And because this is a gel consistency, so you see that? This is a very jelly consistency. So this consistency is great for the fragrances because the fragrances literally just sticks to this. Like once you put this on your skin and then you spray your fragrance on top, the fragrance literally adheres to this like glue. I'm telling you, like it's not just about a body lotion. And honestly, the body yogurts last longer on your skin. Like it helps the fragrance to last longer than the body creams and the body butters, in my experience. I started wearing this this body cream like 2-3 weeks ago because I opened it for this year. Like I have every summer I get a new one. So look at this. I mean, we're still in the season just begun and I'm like halfway, damn near more than halfway through. But that's how good it is, and it layers so well with so many of my fragrances. This is a must. And guys, it's not a limited edition like how the banana was a limited edition. This is always there. You can always get your hands on this. So yeah, definitely get this, guys. You'll need that in your collection even if you don't have Bouquet de Hongrie. But if you have Bouquet de Hongrie, you need to put this together. And if you don't have Bouquet de Hongrie, what are you waiting for? You need to get it. And use my 20% discount code on soavantgarde.com, THEGREAT20, and save 20% on your BDK fragrances, honey. Yes. So yeah, guys, this combination is amazing. Alright guys, so we've come to the end of the video. So in the comment section, leave me some comments and let me know, what are you layering with? I want to know. Inquiring minds want to know, girl. So remember, guys, to stay safe, be great, stay great, and always strive for greatness. AI the Great signing out, but I'll see you in my next video. Peace.